Let's create materials in Tilda. Really useful when you're getting to delivery or testing, implementation of these interventions and of your entire initiative. You're going to need to have materials for yourself and your team in order to be able to do that effectively. So we're going to start with this leadership video modeling behaviors. So I've got my plan in freeform and I want to create a script for these leaders to record their videos with. So I'm going to go down to implementation material, and those suggestions aren't quite right, but that's fine. I'm just going to type what I need. And let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so it's put it into sections, each with an objective and a script with placeholders for the different leaders. That's looking good. I want to format this in a table now to help us actually shoot this with these leaders. Okay, so Tilda has now built that into a table and I have different sections. I've got the script. It's talked about what props we need, the duration, the lighting, and amazing. I can obviously edit that, move these tables around, move things around, and add additional columns if I need to. So really happy with that. I'm going to save that and go make some more material. So next one, we have this scenario-based onboarding workshop, and we want to send out some email communications before the workshop to make sure everyone knows why they're here and what we're going to be exploring. So again, I'm going to move down to implementation material because this isn't necessarily connected to one of those specific steps. Let's check the suggestions. Okay, I'm going to ask for email comms. Tilda's going to spin up a draft. That all looks interesting. Obviously, I can go in here, editing, adding a link, inserting names. I think generally the tone is a little bit too casual, though, for this specific audience. So I'm going to work with Tilda to update that. There we go. I can see already we're pleased to confirm your participation. A lot more formal, a lot less chatty. So again, happy with that. And I will go back to create a final piece of material. For this kickoff now, what I'm going to do is actually upload an example of a presentation that we've done in a similar kickoff to see how Tilda handles that, to help me build this new presentation and script for this kickoff. So I'm going to create an opening script. And then what I'm going to do here is upload a file and tell Tilda what it is and tell it what I want it to do with it. So let's see how it does with that. Great. So I can see it has brought in some of the tone, the language, the format that we had in that PowerPoint, and it's brought it into that script. So again, I'd work into this, I'd edit specific things, bringing in the language, the names, the specifics that we want for this exact initiative. A really good start, bringing in content from another program to make the development of materials more efficient in this program. Good luck building your own materials.